Hello my friends, today we'll talk about this smart bike front light. We'll test it. I will show you a lot of interesting things about it. So what we have working thermal control, Type-C charging here, water protect 600 lumens, it's not bad. About this one anti-reflector, I'm not sure. I showed you different solution of this one. Water resistant, as I said, and impact resistant, because we have aluminum corpus. So you see, those are not bad stabilized. This one working with thermal control, will show you. Also I have additional complete, this one for big parts of your bike, and extra additional, for example, action camera here, or what you need. And this one additional pult will show you how it works. This one is stock complete, cable for Type-C charging, and this one mount for your bike. Also, what an interesting mount can be by those type, but also you can put it there, or also you can replace this one part here. I will show you all it. So how it work? Press and hold for start, 3 main motor, you see it. Press and hold for off. Here we have Type-C and built-in battery. Let's check this one. Optic. Let's compare, for example, with this one, one of the best flashlight for your bike. And also let's compare with this one new model. Review would be a little later. I think they are about the same, not bad, full light. Let's compare a couple of them. Also didn't show you specific strobe by double click. Here is daily strobe, 600 lumens. And this night strobe. And again daily strobe. This one is checking off battery, but press and hold. By one blinking we going to use this one, secondary modem. It would be work constantly 120 seconds, then without moving would be automatically shut down till you get your bike and going more for next one period 120 seconds. This cool function, but press and hold more from on, sorry. We're going to this one, and here it work with those pult. You see, it can be really useful. You can put it on your bike and operation by one hand. strobe mode, and this one for constantly direct access till high mode. And shut down. Let's see some samples of when I mount all it on bike, and also let's check a lot of samples of light. I will show you. In my opinion, and for a basic price about $11, and even for this extra kit with $16, I think it also not bad complete for this price. As I said, this one is about the same, but it cost more $100, and review would be separately. So put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see a lot of new reviews. That's all. S-Beam A70 Mini review also would be, I think, in a week. This one like mini, but I don't see that it's mini. This one had one from Skill Hunt, and with built-in charger, with magnet, with a lot of things, and it look more mini, but it's triple high cream, 2000 lumens, and I think it also would be interesting. Review will be, I think, in a week maybe. All about it. You can, as I said, put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.